priming and setting the eyes, I'm sweeping a matte yellow orange into and above the crease. This is our transition shade. I list every product in the description box. Using a smaller, denser brush, I'm adding depth to the crease with a matte, deep raspberry. Blend everything together. Apply metallic gold with olive undertones onto the entire lid. I find that using my finger gives me the most pigmentation, but you can also use a wet brush. Blend the gold into the crease. I'm taking it quite high, because with my hooded eyes, it's going to end up transferring anyway. Clean up any fallout and apply your usual facial routine. Sweep the yellow-orange all along the lower lash line. Use a clean brush to buff out any harsh edges. Concentrating at the base of your lashes, apply the raspberry. Make sure that everything is nicely blended. Brighten the waterline with a nude eyeliner. Highlight the inner corner with a pearly champagne. Thinly line the upper lash line with a black liner. To start the holly, I'm first drawing 3 little red berries with a liquid liner. Be sure to keep in mind where your lid creases, especially if you have hooded eyes. I'm drawing the first leaf at the same angle that I would usually draw a winged liner. Then I'm mapping out the tips of 3 leaves to make sure they're evenly spaced. The leaves themselves are sort of C-shaped, so I'm using curved lines to connect the dots. Once you're happy with your outline, it's time to fill it in. Use this method to draw as many more leaves as you want. I chose to draw 3, but you can draw as many as you want, as big or small as you want. It all depends on what suits your eye shape and how much space you have to work with. You can stop there if you want, or if you have time to spare and steady hands, you can add detail with a fine-tipped black liner. Outlining the leaves will really make them pop against your skin, and adding veins adds to the realism of the look. It doesn't have to look perfect, because real leaves don't look perfect either, and the details are so tiny that no one will notice if it's a little uneven. I'm also outlining the berries, because why not at this point? Finish off the look with some mascara and you're done. Since it's Christmas, I'm breaking out the falsies. Just be sure that if you use falsies, you pick ones that won't cover up all of your hard work. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Feel free to let me know what you think of this look and request any looks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas!